Okay, so we're coming down after we swing failed this value area here. So I'm going to look to enter long, maybe about 13 or 14. So I'll pause the video and get back to it. Okay, that trade didn't hit, didn't really come anywhere close. So we're looking to the top edge of the value here, which is 47. It's moved down since it was up here at this level, but since it's before this level, we might be all right just shorting into it. So I'll leave it running for a couple of minutes, well, a couple of seconds. Let's see if it hits. I'm looking to enter round about 45. And I'll enter it on TradingView also. Okay, so this trade is filled. So we're going to set our target about 15 points. So we've got a 5 to 15 reward. So I'll show you how that trade goes. Okay, so this one's coming along nicely. We'll probably hit target. Right, this one's hit target. I changed my profit target slightly just because it was the edge of a little bit of volume there. I was just underneath it, so I thought it'd be a better idea to move it up to you. So that's a profitable trade. Okay, the next trade I'm looking for is down again at this lower side of the value area at 12. I'm looking for 15 points again. If it comes to the upside here, this has now had this touch of the edge of the value area has 2 touches, so this will be third touch, and I won't take it. I'll possibly take it if we break up here to 9961, and as you can see, I've actually drawn the level slightly wrong there. If we break up to 9960, I was only a point out. That's yesterday's value area, and I will be looking to take that. This is crude oil. We've had quite a few swing failures on the bottom side of the value area here. So I'm looking to buy it in a second. So I'll keep this on. Looking round about 12s, pretty nice. It's just hovering around there at 13. Right, I got my fill on that. I'll click it here as well. And we will see how that goes. That oil trade lost me 5 ticks, which I'm fine with. It looks like it's going to drop now, or I can't find any edge there. Okay, I bought oil again at the lows here. There doesn't seem to be much interest in pushing it lower, so it's back in the value area now, and I bought it again. I think it's worth to risk 5 for if we hold here, there's going to be an inevitable pop-up, so I'll be looking to take it past the 30s. Okay, the value area on DAX has moved, so it's now back at 16 again, so I will be looking to long 18. Oil hit my stop loss, and I'm probably going to be done with oil for a little while. It wasn't the best trade, and I'm minus 10 points in oil now, so it may be best leaving it for a little while. I think my judgment was a little off there. SPY is still struggling to actually do anything around here. With FOMC tomorrow, this is kind of what we're going to be expecting. I mean, yesterday, I think at least it was 3 hours in. It was the smallest range day of the year, and there's quite a few big economic releases this week. We've got obviously the FOMC with the press conference tomorrow. We've got the UK budget, which it could have quite a major effect on whether Britain will leave the EU. So that'll be an interesting one to watch if you guys are up. Your Europe guys will be, but that's at 12:30 GMT. And then we've got interest rates in the UK as well, which will be on Thursday. And that is at 12 o'clock, and then there will be a press conference as well with that. So with that kind of news coming up in the week, it's expected we're just going to range, and there's not going to be much volume until those have passed. SPY coming down to its value area low around about 201.25, so I'll be looking to long into that just for a scalp. Right, I'm just going to end this little recording. There's nothing much happening, and for the little bit I recorded, I've made 5 points in total, which isn't much, but it was much better during the Euro session. But I think it's going to be a grind like this in New York up until we get those FOMC minutes.